Rose, tell me one thing. Tell me it's not going to come back this way.
We don't have time to talk to you, sir.
No, which way are you going?
I'm going this way.
Yeah, go now.
Well, no, I'm going to hang out and watch.
Yeah, you should be good. It should be pushing that way, but we're not for sure.
Yeah, my boss lives in Rozel, and he said that the one they had there went within like 20 feet of his place. God,
Really?
it's beautiful.
Yeah,
man.
it is.
I love these fuckers. That is sweet. Damn. I love it, man. It's the shit, isn't it?
Yep. What it's all about right here.
Hey, Russ, come back and shoot one.
Wow.
I've never had that shot before.
These next 2 days look to be, quite big, and we're going to see what happens. But I think this is a lot more play those next 6 days. A lot more. Let's see what happens.
That hat.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you did?
I went and found it.
I was going to say, that's a sign, man.
Hey, Russ. Here, get this way.
Yeah. Neighbors come home and beat our ass.
Man, it's just getting pushed around by the RFD. It's just sitting there. Yeah, it literally is just sitting there. Incredible. It's just sitting here, really. It's the second tornado, and it's very, very particularly impressive. I lost my word. So we're just we're only about an hour away from sunset, and we have plenty of good light with this beautiful tornado just dancing in front of our cameras.
Look at that.
Spectacular storm structure up above. It's just, it's to die for. This is beautiful.
Don't drop it.
Look at the Scud racing in from the southeast. Just incredible.
Russ.
Changed it out. Gotcha. That was the one that
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Any more feedback here on the wide angle lens?
This is awesome. This is what we live for. Come out here, every spring and summer, and chase these storms, and that's what's going on. So, yeah, I think this thing's gonna probably rope out here a few minutes, and we're gonna be wanting to look to our probably east again.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. I'm really surprised it didn't do a satellite. I think it was looking.
Here, can you hold that for a sec, brother?
You want me to?
I guess.
How far do you think that is? Like
2 miles, mile and a half, 2.
yeah.
Terrence, look down there. You see any hail?
No. Here, I gotta hand this back to you. I gotta run around like a crazy guy again.
Is that dust, or is it becoming enshrouded in rain?
Rain's starting to get wrapped around in it.
Hey, if it includes like the other one, we go 1 mile north, 1 mile west, we're right at it. Hail's the only concern.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's starting to look over here. We've got more development.
Yeah. Just
look at it, Cody, man.
You glad you came now, brother?
I got like 300 pictures with just my phone.
Get out of here, some guy. That thing wanted to go right at us. Hands down. Look at the 90-degree bend up there. Wow. Wow, look at it.
Look at that.
I did a slow zoom the whole time that thing. It was titties. That's a stunner, man. I'd love to be standing next to that fucking thing. This is my first
Wow,
vision.
as fast as it roped, it condensed back up.
Second, you mean?
Gordon. Check it out. It roped, condensed, and roped again. Terrence, keep talking. Remember, you're mic'd up, unless your battery on your mic is dead.
No, I got it.
Kobe, you can talk. I'm picking you up.
Okay. The thing about this tornado I like, it's nearly stationary, you know?
I thought it was going to come at us, otherwise I would have stopped him else.
Yeah. Unlike the last tornado that traveled a few miles, this is just, I mean, it's been sitting there.
Right.
Yeah, it's literally just dancing there.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful experience on the Great Plains of the Central United States. To hell with Oklahoma.
Yeah.
This terrain, I can see those trees that are 20 miles over there.
Oh, look at that. It's just snaking out right now.
Still on the ground.
Hey, Russ. Can you come here and finish
Yeah.
videotaping this?
What's up?
Can you come here and finish videotaping
My
this?
name is Terrence.
So I can try to send something?
Storms of the Great Plains.
Look at that.
Great for the next one. Wow. You want a sunlit tornado? We need one in 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely gonna want it.
Has anybody looked at this storm recently, or?
No, well, this is trying, but yeah, I mean,
Just not.
right there is actually rotating. Man, that thing is stunning.
It really is, man. Never would I have ever thought that this would be my first experience with these. Visible.
Better in Kansas than elsewhere, that's for damn sure.
No kidding, man. It's just beautiful. Just roping out, snaking perfectly.
Switch sides. You're not as bad as you think.
Because I'm just dumbfounded by this tornado.
Pretty much.
Wow. Good call to stay on this storm, man. Seriously.
Same to you. You were my mental assistance. Otherwise, I'm like, fuck. Those guys are going south, so what's gonna miss?
Still on the ground, look at it.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that, it's done.